right, so today we're going to be talking about some baby Doge stuff. We're going to be talking about where the levels of the baby Doge prices are going to be very soon compared to Bitcoin. We're also going to be looking at the Bitcoin prices, so definitely stick around to the end of the video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but let's go straight over this. Now, I was looking at the baby Doge prices here and using these indicators. Right now, we are right in the middle of some bearish and bullish volume. So we're really deciding whether or not we're going to pump and break out of the Fibonacci retracement where we're stuck at right now, pretty much 8Z1250, or if we're going to go back down. And even if we go back down, we still have all this bullish volume down here. So we're not going to drop below 8Z1. So that's pretty good to know. And if you want to know what I'm using the Chart Prime automated trading indicators, link in the description. If you want that best trading indicators in the game, you can try it risk-free for 7 days. Definitely go ahead and try that out, check it out. But anyways, right now looking at the Chart Prime indicators, we are seeing that we're coming up towards the next momentum wave band up here, but that is where the bearish volume starts. So if we do have some pumping coming after this little breakout here, because I do see a pattern here forming with Baby Doge, and it does look like we're probably going to end up breaking out very soon. If we do, we're going to go closer towards 8Z1400, and it looks like we're actually about to break out of this very soon. So yeah, like I said, if we do, we're going to see us going all the way up here to the momentum wave band at 8Z1400. That's just a little bit of short-term predictions here, what we're looking at with Baby Doge. So short-term, yeah, we are going to have some breaking out with Baby Doge. But what I really want to show people is what we're looking at more longer term with Baby Doge. So if we look at the day chart over here, we're definitely seeing Baby Doge has a lot more potential to go a little bit higher. And if we go over here with the swing ranges for the Chart Prime indicators, link in the description again if you want that. Or if you want these swing ranges, the swing ranges are actually free. All you got to do is come over here and type up swing ranges, and then you'll see Chart Prime right there. Or you just type in Chart Prime. They got a bunch of free indicators. So if you want the Chart Prime free ones, I have the premium indicators. But if you want free Chart Prime indicators, just come over here, type in Chart Prime. They have a bunch of them that you can get for free. But there's a lot of paid ones too. The paid ones have the little lock here. So that's what I have. I have all the premium ones that you get for paying. So definitely check that out if you want to go ahead and try out those indicators. But what we're looking at right now with the swing indicators, we're actually seeing that we have the potential to get all the way up to like 8Z3. So if I come over here and I change this level to 46, because now we're at the daily chart, which is a longer term chart. If we change that to 46, we now see if we continue to pull back a little bit more in Baby Doge. Let me take this off. But yeah, let's take some other stuff off here too, just so it looks a little bit more cleaner. Let's take off that, and we can go ahead and take off the momentum wave bands. So if we're just looking here at swing ranges for Baby Doge, we actually have some interesting data here. So we're going to pull back just a little bit more, and maybe not, because we already kind of did hit a little bit lower down here around 8Z11 and all that good stuff. But let's say we pull back a little bit lower in Baby Doge, or we just break out from where we are. Well, this is all bullish volume down here with Baby Doge, which is good, because that means if we continue to pump, we're going to go all the way up here to this bear volume level. This is where the bears come in at. This is where the bears came in at before. So this is usually where Baby Doge starts to pull back when it pumps. Now, nothing's saying that we can't break past it once we get up there, but this is just where the purchasing volume from the bulls starts to slow down. So if we have a major pump coming into Baby Doge again, it's more than likely going to get closer to that level. So that's really what we're looking at here for Baby Doge for the long term. So that's what the indicators are showing us. If we pull back to like AZ11 or just stay where we are now, we have that possibility to get all the way up there to AZ36. So that's just a little bit more of a long-term perspective, AZ36. And obviously it can get higher than that. But when we look at this and we compare it to Bitcoin, it was actually pretty interesting to look at, because Bitcoin right now is at a very, very bullish volume right now. Like, it's kind of crazy looking at it, because this is where the bulls should be coming in for Bitcoin. So we're at a very good level for our support, and it does look like we can get it back to 70K soon. When, I'm not 100% sure. It's kind of hard to tell when, but it does look like we're able to get back to those levels. Now, even whenever you spread it out a little bit more, like how we did with Baby Doge, you can still see that it's showing the same levels. So that kind of shows you Like, right now is a good buying time for altcoins and for Bitcoin. So that means Baby Doge is also still inside of its bullish volume as well. It doesn't matter what we do here. We can make it a little bit higher or not. If you put it at 70, it's going to tell you the bulls come in all the way at 15K. But what we really want to look at is this 46 level range for the swings. So it does look like we're about to swing up to 70K Bitcoin. Bitcoin's probably going to end up, going right back up again. Now, a lot of people don't think that this is possible, but, a lot of people are bearish, I mean, but I do think it's possible. Even if we do pull back to a little bit lower, we still have good support. Like, we had really good resistance back here. So that's just going to end up becoming our support at the Fibonacci retracement level. So I do think that we're in really good waters with Bitcoin and crypto in general. Even though we're seeing drops, like, this is just a drop in the bucket. Like, this isn't a big deal at all. Like, all the pullbacks that we've been seeing in the crypto market, none of this is a big deal. So I think it's good that we're seeing Bitcoin pulling back. It gives everyone the opportunity to load up on whatever cryptos that they're trying to get in on. So yeah, it just presents a really good buying opportunity, and we're in very, very good standing with the bulls right now. So right now, the bullish volume is showing down here is 42.37%. So that's how many people are just buying like crazy right now. People are buying. So this is a good level for Baby Doge, or well, for Bitcoin, which is also good for Baby Doge because it's pretty much following Bitcoin. Now, looking at some other stuff, we're up 2.9% in the last 24 hours. Doesn't look like much, but it's a little bit. It's good enough. Also, they've been teasing the Telegram game that they have coming out. They have 6 days left. I don't know if they're just gonna reveal what it's like. They're probably not gonna release the whole game. They're just gonna reveal like what the game is like, probably in 6 days. Yeah, and they also said they're tired of people saying win burn. And look, the first thing on this post, win burn. Like, they don't want to hear no more people saying wins the burn. Like, everybody wants to talk about burn on Baby Doge, and I agree. Like, it does get annoying. We need to stop talking about the burns. It's annoying. We really need to stop talking about burns. Like, we don't need the burns. Burns, they really don't do much. Like, we don't need burns. We need to get We need to get bridged to Solana. That's what we really need. We don't need burns. We need to get bridged to Solana. They actually talked about their plans with Solana and when we're more than likely going to end up having the Solana creation of Baby Doge, the Solana bridge, and that's in this post here. They're saying we're still working on our bridging solution. It will come soon. So they're saying that the bridging is coming soon for Baby Doge to Solana. I think this is going to be the biggest thing ever for Baby Doge. This is where we actually get a nice pump coming in. So whenever that comes, it will be good. But they're still working on the bridge solution, which probably means that they don't have everything finished. So if they're still working on it, they're not like testing to make sure everything's working right. They're still working on building it. So I don't think we'll get Solana this month, possibly not even next month. Hopefully we can get it sometime this year. But yeah, it's not looking like they have it ready to go. So we're going to have to wait and see. But that's going to be what really drives Baby Doge upwards. Now, the upcoming Telegram game, I'll be honest, I don't really care about the crypto games, but some people do care about it. I don't know how a game on Telegram will function. Personally, I don't know how that'll function because it's like a, it's like if WhatsApp created a game, like if there's games on WhatsApp or whatever. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it is. It's probably gonna be like a card game or something. It can't be nothing too sophisticated because it's Telegram. But yeah, they're having that coming out soon, so we're gonna check that out. If you want these automated trading indicators for Chart Prime, check out the link in the description. Very, very, very cheap, very easy to use. You can try it risk free for 7 days. Get your money back if you don't like it. The code you can use is discount code CP30 for 30% off. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check out Chart Prime. Very easy to use. Like I said, they also have free indicators like the swing levels, or you can get the more premium ones like our momentum wave bands here. So definitely check that out. Link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video.